Good morning, everyone. My name is Arslan, and you are watching Proper Pariksha, the place where we strive for academic excellence in a simple and comprehensive manner. So, today we'll be starting exercise 8.3, and I hope that you have revised the previous concepts and solved and unsolved examples along with our video lectures. So, without any further delay, let's start. So, exercise 8.3 gives us question number 1, that is, find the sum in each of the following. How do we add the decimals? That is very easy. We write them in top down manner with the decimal points aligned. That is 0.007 and 8.500 will be added to make it look good, and 30.08. Okay, so I will write 30.080 will be added, and then we will make a plus sign and the answer will be over here. 7 plus 00 will be 7, 0 plus 0 plus 8 will be 8, 0 plus 5 plus 0 will be 5, point will be added aligned with the question, 8 and 3 will be mentioned over here, and therefore the answer is 38.587. Okay, this is the answer. Coming to the next question, that is 15 plus 0.632 and 13.8. So first we will write 15, and since nothing is mentioned, we will add a decimal point and 3 zeros after the decimal to make it similar to this. Then we will add 0.632, then we will add 13.8, and we will add 20 to make it look similar. After that, we will just add it 2, 3 and 8, 6, 14. 1 will be carried over, and 5 plus 1, 6 plus 3, 9. Decimal point will be added aligned with the question, and 1 plus 1 will give you 2. So the answer will be 29.432. Coming to question number 1 part C. That is 27.076, 0.55 and 0.44. That is, the answer is, question is 27.076, 0.550 added 0.004, and a line will be made, plus sign will be added. 6 plus 4 will give you 10, and 1 over here. 8 plus 5 will give you 13. 1 will be over here carried, 5 plus 1 will give you 6, point will be added, 7 will be 7 and 2 will be 2 because only 0 is mentioned, and this is the answer. Coming to part D, that is 25.65, so 25.65 you can write as they are mentioned in the same sequence, no need to look for bigger and smaller one. Addition is very easy. In case of subtraction, then you need to look for bigger numbers should be mentioned above, smaller numbers should be mentioned below. Okay, so 25.65, then 9.005, 0 will be added to make it look similar. It is not a 6, it is a 0, 0, and it will be 5. Then 3.7 will be written, 2 zeros will be added, line will be made, addition sign will be made. 5 plus 0, 5, 5 plus 0, 5, 6 plus 7 is 13, 1, 5, 1 plus 9, 10, and 5 plus 3, 8 will give you 18. 1 will be carried over here, 2 plus 1, 3, 38, and decimal point will be added aligned with the question. Coming to the next part, that is part E. 0.75 plus 10.425 plus 2, that will give you the answer of 0.75, then it will be 10.425, then it will be 2.000, and a 0 will be here. Addition will be done. 0 plus 5, that is 5, 5 plus 2, that is 7, 7 plus 4, that is 11, 1 carried over here, 2 plus 1, 3, 1, 3.175 is the answer. Coming to question number 1 part F, that is 280.69, then 25.2 and 0 will be added, and next is 38 without any decimal sign, so 38.00 will be mentioned. As you know, 0 can be added in certain areas without affecting the value. Addition sign will be made. 9, 6 plus 2, 8, decimal point aligned with the question. 8 plus 5, 13, 1, 8 plus 1, 9, plus 2, or you can do 8 plus 2, 10, plus 1, 11, plus 3, 14, and 1 carried, 2 plus 1 will give you 3. So the answer will be 343.89. Coming to the next question. Question number 2. So question number 2 says Rashid spent 35.75 for maths book, 32.6 for science book. Find the total amount spent by Rashid. This is again the same question as we discussed in the previous video. So basically you have to write, first of all, spent for Rashid spent for maths book is equal to 35.75. Okay. Previously, it was also made to convert. So it was written like 35 rupees and 75 paise. So here, no need to convert. Decimal is written ready-made. So 35.75, this will be equation 1. And then you will write Rashid spent for science book is equal to 32.60, 32.60, and over here equation 2. And over here you can write in rupees, or you can write rupees over here, or you can write Rashid spent for maths book and bracket in rupees. Okay, any of the following you can use in order to denote the unit. So 35.75 and 32.60, then you will write in the next line, adding equation 1 and 2 will give the total amount spent by Rashid. Therefore, then you will add equation 1 and 2 and you will write 35 and 32 point whatever in the same fashion below also. Then you will add it, and after adding it, what you will get, 5 plus 0 5, 7 plus 6 13, 1 plus 5 6 plus 2 8, decimal point 3 plus 3 6. So therefore then you will write the answer that Rashid spent a total of 68.35 rupees for maths and science book. Okay, chalo. Coming to question number 3. Radhika's mother gave 10.50 and her father gave her 15.80. Find the total amount given to Radhika by her parents. Okay, so this is the question. So two people have given one particular person two different sums of money, and the question is asked that how much money that one particular person received from both of them. So we will write Radhika received from her mother bracket in rupees is equal to 10.5. Then we will write Radhika received from her father bracket in rupees is equal to 15.80. Then you will write equation 1, equation 2. Then you will write adding equation 1 and 2 will give the total amount given to Radhika. Therefore, then you will write this following again, then 10.5 plus 15.80 in this fashion, then 0, 8 plus 5, 13, 1, decimal point, 5 plus 1, 6, and 1 plus 1, 2. Then you will write, therefore, total money received by Radhika from her parents is rupees 26.30. That is the answer. Question number 4. I think that the word problems, I hope you are able to understand. So I need not tell you again and again. I will tell you in some questions, and in some questions, I will assume that you are able to understand what is to be mentioned. That is why keep preparing notes, keep your pen and paper in your hand, and while watching the video, while watching the lecture, keep taking notes, and whatever I am speaking, keep writing it so that you can understand how to solve the word problems. Question number 4. Nasreen bought 3 meters 20 centimeter cloth for her shirt and 2 meter 5 centimeter cloth for her trouser. Find the total length of cloth bought by her. Therefore, again you will have to write Nasreen bought cloth for her shirt in meters. Then you will write is equal to, or you can just write Nasreen bought cloth for her shirt is equal to 3 meter 20 centimeter. That will be further equal to 3.2 meter, and you will write over here because 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. Okay, so 20 divided by 100 will give you 0.2, and that is written over here. Again, you will write Nasreen bought cloth for her trouser is equal to 2 meter 5 centimeter, which is further equal to 2.05 meter. Because then you will again write 1 meter is equal to itna itna. This will be equation 1, this will be equation 2. Adding equation 1 and 2 will give the total length of cloth bought by her. Therefore, adding both of them, you will get the answer in the same manner. 0 plus 5, 5, 2 plus 0, 2, point, 3 plus 2, 5, and the answer is 5.25. Then you will write, therefore, total length of cloth bought by Nasreen is 5.25 meters. Or you can write 5 meters 25 centimeters. Next question. Naresh walked 2 kilometer 35 meter in the morning and 1 kilometer 7 meter in the evening. Total distance walked in the whole day, that is, so again you will write Naresh walked 2 kilometer 35 meter in the morning, which is equal to, or you can write Naresh walked a total distance in the morning is equal to 2 kilometer 35 meter, which will be further equal to 2.035 kilometer, because that will be equation 1, because 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter. So when you will divide 35 by 1000, you will get the answer 0.035. Now coming to next equation, you will write Naresh walked in the evening, total distance is equal to 1 kilometer 7 meter, which will be further equal to 1.007 kilometer. This will be equation 2. Again, the same reason of because. So I hope you know that this is known as because, this is known as therefore, and this is known as this implies, and this is known as is equal to. So these are certain signs which are used in mathematics. Then you will write adding equation 1 and 2 will give the total distance he walked in all. Therefore, adding both of them, you will get the answer. Aligning the decimal points, 7 plus 5, you will get 12. 1 plus 3, you will get 4. Then you will get 0. Decimal point, 2 plus 1, 3. So you will write, therefore, Naresh walked a total of 3.04 kilometers in all. Coming to question number 6. Sunita traveled 15 kilometer 268 meter by bus, 7 kilometer 7 meter by car, and is now on foot. How far is her school from her residence? So this question is same as the question we just solved previously. That is, the distance was total by travel by. I'll just show you the question. This one. Okay, this was that was solved um, in the unsolved examples. Okay, no problem. I will solve it again. This is a new video and new question. I will have to solve it again. Sunita traveled 15 kilometers. So first of all, what you will do, you will write Sunita traveled by bus is equal to 15 kilometer 268 meter, which will be again equal to 15.268 kilometers. Equation 1, because 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter, also mentioned in the previous question. Again, you will write Sunita traveled by car is equal to 7 kilometer 7 meter, which is further equal to 7.007 kilometer. This will be equation 2. Next, you will write 500 meter on foot. So Sunita traveled on foot is equal to 500 meter, which will be further equal to 0.500 kilometer. So this is only a question of conversion and addition. So conversion we have done a lot. You can see our previous videos and you can understand how to convert from various units to various units. Then you will write adding equation 1, 2 and 3. We will get how far is her school from her residence. Therefore, adding all three up and aligning the decimal points, 8 plus 7 will give you 15, 6 plus 1 will give you 7, 2 plus 5 will give you 7, decimal point aligned with the question, 7 plus 5 will give you 12, and 1 plus 1 will give you 2. Therefore, the answer is 22.775, and the answer will be, therefore, Sunita traveled from school to her, therefore, the total distance between her school and her residence is 22.775. One thing you might have noticed is that when we pronounce a decimal, we pronounce the decimal by pronouncing the left side of the decimal as an integer and the right side of the integer as separate digits. We will not say 775, we will say 775, 22.775. That is the thing which I thought that Those who have not observed till now should be told explicitly. Question number 7. Ravi purchased 5 kilograms, 400 grams rice, this much sugar, and this much flour. Find total weight of these purchases. You just need to do add them up. So 5.400, that will be in kilogram. Then it will be 2.020, that will be in kilogram, that is sugar. And then it will be 10.850, that will be in kilogram, and then you will add them up, and that will be 0, 5 plus 2 7, 4 plus 8 12, and 1 over here carried, 5 plus 2 7, that is 8, and 1. So answer will be 18.270 kilograms. So with this we conclude the exercise 8.3 of class 6 mathematics chapter 8, and in the next video we'll be starting the topic of subtraction of decimals. Subtraction of decimals is nothing but adding a negative decimal to another decimal. That is simplest thing which I can make you understand. So just make the sign of one of the decimals of which you have to subtract as minus, and just add it, and you will get the answer of subtraction of decimals. So we'll nevertheless look into the topic of subtraction of decimals. So if you like our videos, you may subscribe to our channel and like our videos, hit the like button. If you have any suggestions, comment in the comment section or reach us out at any of our social handles. Until the next time we meet, goodbye.